trailer here has had it. Holes in the deck, and both of those tires are shot. They got a little too close to an implement when I was pulling it, and it sliced open both tires. That was sad. And the winch is shot because it's been sitting outside for too long. So, but I still need a trailer I can haul my tractor on. And I have that fifth wheel sitting right there, which means I have to have this thing in the back of my truck, which I do not like because it actually bolts in, and then you have to unbolt it to take it out to haul anything in the truck. So what I'm thinking of doing is hybridizing my two trailers. I think I'm going to cut the fifth wheel portion off of this big guy. I'm just gonna chop this off up here and down through there, and I'll leave the jacks on, and then I'm going to take the tongue out from underneath the other trailer and weld it under here and make this into a bumper trailer. And the reason I'm willing to do that is because these axles are rated for 8,000 pounds each. So this is a 16,000 pound trailer. And you see this space where it's sitting? I just cleared this yesterday because I might be getting a new toy, and as part of this video you're going to see it. I'm going to go look at it actually tomorrow, so I'll be continuing on this video for a couple days before I post it. But I'm going to go look at a circular sawmill, and it will set in this spot right along here somewheres, if I do get it. Of course, I got to go look at it, see if it's going to be worth my time. But hey, anyway, so I'm going to get on this stuff. Probably won't be filming a lot of the work, but I will film the parts that seem interesting, okay? But basically, I just wanted to catch up with y'all. I took 60 days off, 2 months off of YouTube, posting no videos. I have actually tried to make a couple, and the projects just turned out to be, well, not good. One of them I might finish, but we'll see. Anyway, so yeah. Next thing you know, we'll be looking at a circular sawmill that's ancient. Apparently it's like 1910s, 20s area. So anyway, laters. Well, I got all that done. Tore the deck off of it, took the fenders off of it, took the tongue and the plate that held the winch off of it, and then cut a bunch of pieces out of it that are laying over here so that I can weld those into the other frame, into the fifth wheel frame, because it doesn't have very many cross pieces and I want more in there, so these 4 will be enough. And it's still got a whole bunch of steel left over, and 2 3,500 pound axles, which I'm probably never going to do anything with. I'll stick them up on Craigslist or something. Anyway, so next we'll be getting this out of the way with the tractor, because there's no way to hook onto it with the truck anymore. And then we'll pull the fifth wheel over here and start cutting it apart to put things back onto it. I'm kind of excited about this because that one has brakes. This one did not. So that's a better trailer in my book. I still got to wire the brakes, but they're there, so I can. Anyway, so the next section you see should be, well, I might get some of that getting cut apart, but the next section should be the going to check out the sawmill. All right, here we go. it's a bumper hitch trailer now. And I was wrong, by the way. I said it was 16,000 pound, 8,000 pound axles. It's actually 6,500 pound axles because it's 13,000 pounds. So yeah, but got fenders on it. I am going to move the spare tire thing up to the front, but I'm going to wait till I get the decking for it. And that might take a while because, you know, wood prices are like out the frickin' sky right now. So yeah, got to do that. But I put in 3 new braces along here so that it will support more weight, because this is going to haul the tractor that you see back there eventually. That's one of the reasons that tire's got to go, and I've got to build a set of ramps for it, but no biggie. I'm also going to flip the ball on the hitch, or flip the hitch so the ball's up higher, because it is sloped downward just a little bit, like about 3 inches back to front when I had it hooked to the truck. So, but there it is, and no news on getting to see the sawmill today, man. I'm kind of disappointed about that, but I guess I'll get over there eventually, and the feller's got time to get me take me out there to the, or let me follow him out there anyway to the place where it's at, and then I'll be trying to figure out how to clear all this. There's my old trailer, all cut apart. I'm going to take the rest of the metal off of it and get the axles loose, and then probably put them up on Craigslist or something. I don't know. I also still have to do the lights on this and get the plug for the brakes and wire that all in. And I have also got to figure out if it has to have a battery for these or not. Maybe somebody can tell me in the comments so I can show you how it is hooked into the wheels. It's on these type of little plugs, and it goes right into the wheel, and it's on all 4 of them. Over there you can see they actually go through the axle. So I don't know if this kind needs a battery on the trailer, or if it just gets its energy from the truck itself when it's plugged in. So if anybody happens to know that by what I just showed you, please comment below and let me know. That would be very helpful. Some of this is new to me, like brakes on a trailer. That one did not have brakes, which made it fun hauling the tractor around. Anyway, guys, well, thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll get to tour that little sawmill that might be moving to this space where these trailers sit now eventually. We'll see. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.